Yes, Walaikum Salam students. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And is my screen visible? Yes, is my screen visible to all of you or not? Yes, students respond, then I will start. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, students, so let's get started. We are going to finish chapter on indices and standard form today. And today we will discuss past paper questions to give you an idea of the difficulty level of the questions which you may encounter in the exam. And it will also give you an indication of the level of understanding that you have achieved in this chapter. Okay, so this is the first
Okay, sir.
question. First, you have to express this number in standard form.
4
So this one should
is
be
for
pretty
6.
straightforward. Yes, Athena, you have found the answer. Yes, what will be the answer? 4.5
Multiply
multiplied by 10 raised to power. It will be positive or negative?
-6.
It will be 7 or 6. Think again.
It will be
Okay, very good. It will be -6. Okay, what about others? Saad Hashmi, are you listening? Yesterday you had
Yes, sir.
problems in understanding the standard form.
So yes, I'm clear now.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
See, we have moved decimal to the right. That is why the power of 10 will decrease and it will be negative. Okay. So just count the number of digits that decimal has moved and that will be the power of 10. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. The first part will be easy. The second part will be a bit difficult. So first we have to find out P multiplied by Q in standard form. So let's write it down first. 6 into 10 raised power 8 multiplied with 4 into 10 raised power 7. Okay. So I am doing this solution in front of you so that it becomes clear to you how to use your space given in the answer booklet. Okay. Some students don't know how to use the space. So this is how you will use the space given in the answer booklet. Okay. So you will start from here. 6 into 10 raised power 8 multiplied by 4 into 10 raised power 7. Now you will simplify. So what will be the answer? 6 will be multiplied with 4, right? You will get 24. And what about powers of 10?
multiply 10 raised for
15. Very good. Because the two bases are being multiplied, the powers will be added. Now this is not in standard form. So how will we convert it to standard form?
2.4 multiplied
Multiplied by 10 raised to the power. What will be the new power of 10?
16.
16. Very good. Why? Because we have moved one digit to the left, the power of 10 will increase. So it will be 10 raised to power 15 plus 1, which is 16. Okay, is it
Excuse
clear?
me, sir.
Yes, Saad.
Sir, why isn't it 6 multiplied by 10 to raise power 1, 10 to raise power 8?
Because we are not subtracting it.
Because we are not adding or subtracting, we're just multiplying. In
Sir,
multiplication, that operation is not needed.
we don't need to make the power same while
No, no,
multiplication.
no,
Okay, sir.
no, not needed in multiplication or division. That is only needed in subtraction and addition.
Okay, sir.
Okay, keep that in
Okay,
mind. If you cannot remember, write it down somewhere.
okay, sir.
Okay, because multiplication is straightforward, you can simply add the powers. Okay, so 10 raised per 8 and 10 raised per 7. When you multiply it, the powers will be added. No need to make the powers same. Even if they are different, they will just. And 6 will be multiplied with 4, you will get 24. Okay, now you have to
Okay,
move decimal to this place. Initially, the decimal is after 4. You have to move one digit to the left. So when decimal is moved to the left, the power of 10 is increased by that particular value, which is the number of digits moved. So you have just moved one digit, so you will add 1 to 15 and you will get 16. Okay, clear?
okay, sir.
Okay, next 6 into 10 raised power 8 minus 4 into 10
And
raised
now
power.
we will change the value of 10, the power of 10.
Yes, now you need to have the same power of 10. Yes, so what will you do now?
6 multiplied 10 raised power 8 minus 0.4 multiplied.
6 multiplied by the common power that you want to take is 10 raised power 8. Okay, so over here you can write, you know, you need to convert to 0.4 and the power of 10 will be increased from 7 to 8.
Yes, it
Why?
will be
Because
8.
you have moved one digit to the left. Okay, now you can simply subtract 0.4 from 6. So what is 6 minus 0.4?
5.6.
It is 5.6. Very good. So 5.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power
10
8
raised
is
power 8.
okay. Fair
Sir,
enough. Does everyone agree?
how will we get it that
Yes, sir.
we are going to make the number bigger or smaller in the powers?
It's totally up to you, beta. If you make it smaller, you will still get the same answer.
Sir, are you saying like if we make 10 raised to power 8, 10 raised to power 7, we'll still get the
Yes.
same?
Yes, you will get the same answer, but there will be additional steps involved. That's it. You will still
Okay.
get the same.
Uh, Yes,
So
sir.
which one do you find easier?
Increasing the power is easier.
Increasing the power is easier because in that case you will directly get the answer in standard form. Okay. Otherwise, you can do it that way as well. You want me to do it by the second method as well or not?
No, sir. We
No,
already
sir.
method.
Yes, I'm asking Saad. Saad.
No, sir, no,
No need. Okay.
no, sir.
Very good. Because this is just 1 mark question, you don't want to waste a lot of time on this question. Okay. Paper 1 is a very lengthy paper, so I don't want you to be stuck on one part. Okay. You have to complete it quickly. Okay. So these are the answers from marking scheme. Okay. Let's move to next question. First, we have to convert this number to standard form. Okay. So this one will be very straightforward. So how will you write it in standard form?
1.25 multiplied by 10 raised power 7.
No, beta, it's 521.
So 5.21
Yes, sir.
multiplied by
5.21 multiplied 10 raised power 7.
6
No, you are moving decimal to the right, beta.
7.
minus 6 minus 6.
Minus.
It will be minus 6, right? Because you
Minus
are
6.
moving the decimal to the right. Yes. Have you understood,
Yes,
Adina?
sir.
The mistake
Yes,
will
sir.
be
I was also
minus 6,
counting
not
the
40.
0 before the decimal.
Yes. Don't count the zeros before the decimal. The zeros after the decimal will be counted. Okay.
Yes, sir. Just got a little confused.
Okay. Just remember this rule: when you are moving decimal to the right, the powers of 10 are subtracted. Negative power should be there. Okay. Next, you
Yes,
have to
sir.
write it in standard form. Now you have two numbers and you are going to multiply them. So what will be the answer? 5 will be multiplied with 6, you will get 30. Multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7 and minus 3. What will be the answer? It will be 4, right?
It will be 4.
4.
Okay, now convert it into standard form. 3.0. 10 raised to the
Multiply
power
10 raised to 5.
10 raised to power 5. Does everyone agree?
Sir, I didn't
Yes.
understand
Yes, sir.
power 4 power how did you solve 10 to raise power 4?
It will be 10 raised to power 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so the answer will be 10 raised to the
7 is
power.
positive and 3 is negative.
Yes,
So it
3
will
is negative,
be
so it will be 7
subtracted.
minus 3
Okay.
and you will get 10 raised to power 4. Okay, actually you are still adding the powers, but because the second power is negative, so you will be subtracting that. Okay,
Okay.
as a result. So it will
Yes,
be 10
sir.
raised to power 4. Let me involve other students as well. Umar and Musa, you are also clear?
Yes, sir. I am listening and seeing all things.
Any confusion? Musa, are you listening?
No, sir.
Musa is not there. Musa, are you online? Okay, Umar beta, if there is any confusion, do ask, okay?
Okay.
Next part, 12 part A.
It will
This
be
question is again
5.67 multiplied by
5.67 multiply 10 raised to power negative 4.
minus 4.
minus 4. Excellent. Okay, next part, part B. Now this question involves division. Now remember, this is a paper 1 question. Calculators are not allowed. You have to do this question without the use of calculators. Yes, so how will you do this question? The second part. This is a 2 marks question, remember. So some working is
3
needed.
over 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 11.
No. Can you
Sir,
divide
can
3
we
by 5 directly?
reciprocal?
So reciprocal and then multiplication, cross multiply.
Yes, sir. Reciprocal.
Yes.
No, forget about the powers of 10 first. Let's consider this 3 over 5. How will you simplify this 3 over 5?
Sir, by subtracting the values.
How can you subtract? You want to subtract 5 from 3?
Sir, by minus. Sir, 5 minus 3.
5 minus 6, sir.
No, I'm asking you not to consider the powers at this time.
Okay.
We will worry about the powers later on. What about 3 over 5?
Sir, can't we
Sir,
make
they will
one of them
minus.
bigger or smaller by taking the value from 10?
Yes, exactly. You can do that way as well. In fact, that is the easier method. Is there any other method?
So it will be 0.6 multiplied 10 raised to power 11.
Yes, exactly. So can you divide 3 by 5? Have you
Yes,
studied
sir.
this kind?
It is 0.6.
What will be the answer?
0.6.
0 point. Because of a point, you will add 0 at the end of 3. So you will get 5, 6 or 30. So it will be 0.6, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
all know how to divide smaller number by a bigger number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3 by 5 is 0.6.
Multiply 10 raised to power 11.
Now let's consider the powers of 10. 10 minus 5 over 10 raised to power 6. So how will we simplify
It will
this?
be 11. 11. We'll take 6 up and it will be added.
Are you sure it will be 11 or minus
Negative
11?
11.
No, sir, no, never 11.
It will be negative 11, right? Because
Yes, sir.
power of
Sir,
6 will
when
become negative.
sir, 6 will go upside or 5 will come down?
6 will go upside because in standard form we have the 10 is in the numerator, not in the denominator. Okay, this
Yes,
10 raised
sir.
to power 6 will go up over here. So it will be 0.6 into 10 raised to the power
Negative 11.
minus 5 will be added to minus 6 and the result will be both will be negative. So it will be
Yes.
0.6 into 10 raised to the power negative 11. Is it the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes, sir, because it is already into standard form.
No. Recall the definition of standard form.
Sir, it's 0.6.
Oh yes, 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 sir. It will
12.
be. It will be 6.
It
It
should
will
be
be.
6
Minus
because
12.
the number
It will be
cannot be
6.
less than
Yes.
the number cannot be less than 1. Remember, in standard form, the number has to be
6
higher than
multiplied 10
1
is for
and less
negative
than 10.
12.
So you have to move this decimal to the right one place. So it will be 6.0 into 10 raised to the power.
10 is for negative 10.
No, you are moving decimal to the right. The
Negative
power of
12.
10 will be subtracted, right? It will be minus 1. 10 is power minus 11 minus 1. So it will be 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Does everybody agree? This was a bit tricky question.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Saad, Ali Zain and Umar. Are you also clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Tabassum, are you listening? Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, a different kind of question now. You have to take the third root of
Sir, can
216.
you go to the previous slide for a second?
Yes, beta.
Sir, why is it negative 1? 10 is for negative 1. After
No,
we changed 6.
it's not negative 1, it's negative 12, beta. Stand is for negative 12.
No, sir, before.
So
It is
she's
negative
asking the
11
step
minus
before,
1.
one step before.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Because we
negative 1.
have moved the
Because we are
decimal on
moving,
the right.
yes, we are moving one digit to the right. No? That is why. Decimal has moved one digit to the right. So that is why we are subtracting minus 1 from it. If it had moved 2 digits, then we would have subtracted minus 2.
No,
It is like,
sir, why is it minus?
why is it minus? Because we are
Because we
moving
are
decimal to
moving
the
on
right.
the right side.
Think about the first part.
Yes,
5.2 and
sir.
10 is power minus 6. Remember this rule? 9 part A.
Yes, sir, forgot
In the
about
first
that.
part, we also moved the decimal to the right. That is why the power of 10 was subtracted. Now that is why
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking you again and again to write this. I know there is a lot of confusion in this rule. Students often get confused whether the power of 10 should be positive or negative. Write it somewhere so that you remember it on your books, on your notebooks, whatever you have it, whatever you have with you. Okay, just write it down somewhere. I have been emphasizing this from class 1, from the very first class that we had on standard form. Remember, when the point
Yes,
is moved
sir.
to the right side, the powers of 10 are subtracted. Okay, and when the decimal is moved to the left, the powers of 10 are added. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now is this clear to everyone? This rule, Saad, Umar, Musa.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Next question is, we were discussing how to find out the third root of 216. So first I will write it like this: 216 whole power 1 by 3. Yes. Now what I will do? How will I simplify it further? Yes. Anyone?
Sir, LCM.
LCM? You're not
So,
dealing with fractions, beta.
so cube root, take the cube root.
We don't have a calculator, so how do we take the cube root?
We'll cube it. We will cube it.
Okay. So which number raised to the power 3 is 216? How do I find that number?
Sir, we will divide it.
No. In this particular question and questions like these in the exam, when you have a big number and you want to find out 8th root or 7th root or 4th root, whatever is the number outside the square root, you always do prime factorization. I told you when we discuss examples like these in our lesson, okay? So when you have a big number and you are not sure about the cube root or the square root, what you do is you prime factorize that number. So you have to find out the prime factors of 216 first. You all know that technique, right? How to prime factorize 216. So we'll start from 2, right?
It will be 6 cube, sir. 6 cube.
Yes, it will be 6 cube, but how do I make sure that it is 6 cube? So first you will prime factorize. So the answer will be 2108 is 216. Then 254s are 108. Okay, then 227s are 54. Then 3 9s are 27.
Sir, isn't the same as like LCM?
No, it's not LCM beta, it's prime factorization.
Sir, I'm saying it's very near or closer to LCM, very similar.
Yes, it's similar. I know the procedure is similar, but in LCM you have at least two numbers. We have only one number over here, 216. In LCM we also consider prime factors. Okay, but that is a separate thing. Okay, don't mix those two concepts. Okay, so now these are the prime factors of 216. So how can I write it? I can write it as
It will
2
be
cube
6.
into 3 cube. Can I write it like this?
Yes,
2 is
sir.
multiplied 3 times and 3 is also multiplied 3 times. So I can write it as 2 cube into 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. Okay. So now you will simplify this 1 by 3 will multiplied with 3, you will get 2 power 1 multiplied by 3 cube is simplified with 1 by 3, you will get 3 power 1. So this is how you will get 6 as the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's easy.
It's easy, and in this way you will ensure that you have moved in the correct direction. You have arrived at the correct answer.
E-
Yes, sir.
Okay.
easy and weird.
Why is it weird?
Sir, just looking to be weird.
No, beta, you've done these kind of questions in class 8, prime factorization.
Yes, sir, I know. We have done it in class 8.
Mm-hmm. So don't forget the concepts from class 8. Concepts of class 8 are a prerequisite in class 9th. Okay. Those prior
Yes,
concepts will
sir.
be used in class 9. Okay. Is this procedure clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second part. This one should be easy. 16 power 1 by 2 minus 16 power 0. What will be the answer?
It will be -1.
Minus 1?
No, it will be 16 or 1 over 2 minus 1.
Yes, this will be the first step. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay. What about 16 power 1 by 2? What is the answer?
It will be 1 will be cut by 1. It will be 16 square.
No.
It will be 4 square
Don't rush through
into
the
1
question.
over
Think
2.
again. Yes, now you are correct. 16 will be 4 square whole power 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? What is 4 square? 4 square, this 2 will be cancelled with 1 by 2. You will get 4.
Yes, it will be 4 1 raised by 1.
4 minus 1 will be 3. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ali San, are you clear? I cannot hear your voice. Ali San, are you listening? Are you clear?
So
Umar, are you clear?
what is the step called 16 1 over 2 converted to
Yes,
4?
sir, I am clear.
Sir, it is what is the step called?
This is also prime factorization.
Oh yes, sir.
We have factorized 16 and it will be 4 into 4, so it will become 4 square.
Yes, sir. So just I forget the name. Prime factor.
So 4 square whole power 1 by 2 will be 4. the 2 will be cancelled with 1 by 2. So 4 minus 1, 3 will be the answer. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
next
sir.
part. 3a square b over 12ab to the power 4. So what will be the first step? Now I'm going to write down the first step for you. So it will be 3 power minus 2. Okay. Then a power minus 4. Then p power minus 2. Okay. Is this the correct way or is there any other way to solve this question as well? You have a negative power. So can you make that power positive?
Yes, reciprocal.
How you can take the reciprocal?
You can make it 1 by 2.
Yeah, no, 2 by 1.
So it will
Yeah.
be 12ab
1 by
power
2, yeah.
4 over 3a square b whole power 2. Does everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just change numerator with denominator and the power will become positive. Now you can take this power into individual powers. So it will be 12. Okay,
So
before taking the
is it
power,
essential
first
to
let's simplify.
24a square.
No,
say is
first
it
simplify the
essential to
expression.
make the negative 2 into positive 2?
No, this is just one method of doing the
You
question.
already made it.
This is just one method of doing the question. There are other methods as well.
No, sir. I'm saying, is it essential to do it?
No, is it not? It's not essential. I have made it positive because positive powers are easier to handle, easier to manipulate. That is why I've converted to positive power. Okay. Okay. So now divide. This 12 will be divided by 3. You will get 4, right? Okay. What about
Yeah.
the
And the
power
A
of
will be cut with the A, but
A, only A.
one A will be left at the
B3.
bottom.
Okay, you want to take a to the bottom. Okay. That is also
No,
possible. So you will get 4 over a. Yes. Okay. What about b? Power of b. It will be 4
the
minus 1,
upper
right?
one will be cut and it will be 3. B raised power 3.
B raised to power 3. Okay. And the whole power will be square. Okay. Now it's easier to simplify. So 4 square is 16. B 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay. And over a square. So the answer is 16b 6 over a square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now it's not necessary to convert the power to from negative 2 to positive 2. Okay. If you allow the power to remain negative, you will still get the same answer. Now, this is just one possible solution. Clear? Any question, any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so these are the answers written on the right hand side from the marking scheme. Now, question number 18. Again, I have selected different questions from the past paper exam so that you can practice all of the questions, all different kinds of questions that you can get in the exam. Okay, so in this particular question, I'm given a table which shows you information about annual coffee production of some countries in 2010. So 4 countries are given over here: Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, and Indonesia. Now we have to complete the table with the coffee production for Brazil. Brazil's coffee production is 48 million bags of coffee. Now we have to write this number in standard form in the first row. So how will I write it in standard form? See over here, I have a million over here. So you
It
need
will
to be
be 10
familiar
raised
with
for 6.
how many zeros are there in million.
6.
The 6.
Yes, 6 zeros are there. So I can write it as 48 into 10 raised power 6. Now this is not in standard form. How do I convert into standard form?
4.8 into 10
8.8.
raised power 7.
7.
Yes, very good, excellent. So it will be 4.8. So this is the answer that you will write in the first row. 4.8 and 10 raised power 7. How many more bags of coffee were produced in Vietnam than in Colombia?
We have to
So we
subtract
have
both of them.
take the difference between Vietnam and Colombia.
Yes, sir,
So
subtract
what will the
both of them.
difference? Hmm. So which number will be written first? 1.85
You
and
can
10 raised
write
power
any
7?
of them.
No,
Yes.
I cannot write any of them.
Minus
Why, sir?
4.8 percent.
You have to write the bigger number first.
So
More coffee is
9.2
produced in
would be
Vietnam.
first.
Sir, 9.
So
Think
we
again, which
have,
number is bigger?
No, yeah, 1
so because 10 is
the
having the
10 is for
bigger
7.
Yes, you
power.
have 10
So
raised power 7. Don't just consider the first part. The second part is also
Yes,
important.
sir.
Power of 10. In the first part, you have 1.85 into 10 raised power 7. Since the power of 10 is 7, it is a bigger number. Okay.
Yes.
So you will have it first
Minus 9.2 multiplied 10 raised power 6.
multiplied by 10 raised power 6. Yes. So now how will you subtract? You have different powers of 10.
1.85 will be first 9.2 will be subtracted from 1.85.
No. Can
And
you subtract 9.2
subtract.
from 1.85?
so in
Sir,
negative,
we will subtract 1.85 from 9.2.
Yes.
No.
Sir,
You
first
have
we
done this kind
convert.
of question before, beta.
First
When
we
you
We
have
can
convert 10
cancel the
different
to
values.
powers
raised
of 10.
power.
Sir,
First
we
it
will
will be
make this. Sir, we will make
it
this
is 0.92 multiplied by 10 raised power.
Yes, sir.
Just a second, beta. Mute, all of you mute your microphones. Yes, Tabassum. What were you saying?
Sir, we can make the 6 a 7 or we can make the 7 a 6.
Yes, excellent. That is the procedure that you will follow. I told you that you cannot add or subtract unless the power of 10 is same. So convert to bigger power first. So 1.85 into 10 raised power 7 will remain as it is. The second number will be changed. Now I have to make it 10 raised power 7. So what will I do? This decimal will move to the left or right?
Left.
To the left. Very good. So I will have 0.92 into 10 raised power 7. Now this step is correct. Now you have to subtract 0.92 from 1.85. Okay. So 1.85 will be written on the top and 0.92 will be written below 1.85. Now you have to subtract 5 minus 2 is 3.
so
And
minus 0.93.
0.93 will be the answer. So 0.93 multiplied by 10 raised power 7. Now is it in standard form?
So no, 9.7 multiplied by it would be,
So what will be the power of 10? I have to move one digit, one decimal to the right. So power of 10 will be added or subtracted?
It will be subtracted.
So we will have 7 minus
Subtracted.
1. So it will be
It will
9.3
be 6.
10 raised power 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this question was a bit tricky. Make sure all of you understand this question.
No, sir, it was easy.
It was easy, sir. Just in the beginning, we have to remember that first we have to change the value of 10.
Same power of 10 should be used. First you have to ensure that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
and so suppose if in the place of minus there was multiply, so we had directly multiplied 1.85 with
Yes,
9.2.
you had directly multiplied in that case.
Multiplying is much easier, sir.
Okay, next part C. The mass of bag of coffee is 60 kgs. Work out the number of kilograms of coffee produced in Indonesia.
So what's the connection with of the statement with the productions of Indonesia?
It will be 6 multiplied. Oh, sir.
That is what you have to think
kg
about.
will be 1000, right?
Yes, kg will be 1000, but you have to give your answer in kgs.
So what is the connection of this treatment with the Indonesian production?
Okay,
Yes,
think
sir.
about, look at the table. It says that Indonesia produces 8.5 into 10 raised power 6 bags per year. And the mass of one bag is given. So what will you do to find out the total mass of the kgs of coffee produced?
Multiply the
6.0
the mass of
multiplied 10
one
raised
bag
per.
of bags.
Yes, multiply the mass of one bag with all of the bags or the production of Indonesia in the year,
Yes.
okay? Can you make the connection now, Saad? Yes or no?
I didn't
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Sir, we will multiply both of them, right?
Yes, you will multiply both of them because, okay, let me explain again. Indonesia produces 8.5 into 10 raised power 6 bags per year. It is not kgs of coffee, it is bags of coffee. And in part C, the mass of one bag is given. So if you want to find out the
Okay,
total
sir.
mass, what will
We'll
you do?
just multiply
Multiply.
both of them.
I will just multiply it by them.
Yes, so you will multiply 60 kgs with 8.5 into 10 raised power 6 and give the answer in standard form. That's it. So how will you multiply 60 with 8.5? See, this is a paper 1 question. So do you know how to multiply
We
60
can
with?
write, sir, can't we write 60 in this form?
No, sir, we can't, right?
Which form,
Can't we
beta?
make
60
60
will be
of
used directly.
like
So five.
We can't
Sir,
turn
the
60 into a
value.
decimal.
Sir, I guess the value is 500 plus or
we can turn 60 into a
450
decimal
plus.
and
Sir, it's near to 500.
Yes, but
Sir,
you
sir,
don't
we
have
have
to
to.
estimate. You have to give the exact value.
Sir, we have to multiply 60 with 8,
Okay, and
and then with the point 0.5. So we have to multiply the next value again with
No,
point
sir,
0.5.
we can multiply at all the same time.
that is a long method, beta. I know you will arrive at the correct answer.
Sir, yes. Sir, we will multiply 60 with 85 and then we will count the decimal places and put the decimal according to the decimal places, one or two
Yes,
places from the
yes,
right.
yes.
Yes, sir, that is what I was saying.
Okay, so multiply it quickly. So what will be the first value? It will be 5.
Sir, it
Then
would be
6 5s are 30.
510.
Okay, so this is the value that you get. 5105 will be the answer, and the decimal will be placed at exactly the same place where the decimal is in 8.5. So it will be
Sir,
510.
wait a second.
Yes.
5 multiplied 0 is 0, sir. You have written 5.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you for
sir.
correcting
Yes,
my
sir.
mistake.
So that's why I was saying
0.
it's 510. The answer is 510.
Yes, now it's correct. Okay, thank you for pointing that out. It will be 510.0. The answer will be 510. So it will be 510 into 10 raised power 6. So now convert into standard form.
5.10.
Into 10 raised to the power. Positive or negative? Power of 10 will be increased or decreased?
So decreased.
Increased.
Sorry,
Sir,
increased, sir.
decrease.
Increased.
Increased, sir.
Or in.
Increase, sir.
You are moving to the left. See, you're still
Sir,
confused.
decrease.
Sir,
Sir,
10
decrease.
is for 8.
Increased, it would be
Increase.
increased.
If decimal is moved to the left, the power of
Sir,
10 is
because
increased.
the number is
Sir,
getting
decrease.
smaller, so the power would be increasing.
yes, sir, it will
Yes.
be positive.
You can think in those lines as well. You can think on those lines. If the number is getting smaller, the power of 10 should increased. So it will be 10
Yes.
raised power 8. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, after
Yes.
multiplying decimal.
Adina, your voice dropped off.
Sir, you didn't multiplying the numbers.
No, initially the decimal was over here after 0. So I am moving 2 digits to the left. So 6
Yes, sir.
plus
I
2
didn't
will,
see that.
so
So
I will
what
have
if we
6
say
plus 2.
that there is no power of 0 after a decimal?
After see, whenever there is no decimal in the number, it means the decimal is at the end.
No, sir, I'm saying that when we have moved the decimal 2 places left,
Hmm.
so there is no power of 0 after a decimal.
But there is one.
There is a 1 after 5.
No,
Beta.
sir, I'm saying so. Wouldn't it be considered at 10 raised to power 7?
No, no, no. It will not be considered like that. This 0 at the end is significant.
It
Okay.
before the decimal, it is not significant.
Yes. So you mean to say there is no difference between 51 and 510? That is not true.
No, no, sir, I'm not talking about 51. Sir, I've got it.
You got it right.
Sir, I was talking about 5.10. Or, sir, can we write it like
Okay, what
5.1
about this?
multiplied?
Okay, okay. Yes, now I understand your question. You can drop this 0.
Yes.
5.10 and 5.1. It's the same thing. So you can get rid of that 0. 5.1 into 10 raised to power 8. This answer is still the correct answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So I guess the time for period is over, right? I wish to complete all the questions. How many questions are left? Only one question is left. So can you go through this question yourself? I'll upload the lecture notes. If there is any confusion, you can ask me in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just one question is left and the solution is also given in this question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll see you in the next class. Today is the deadline for homework and make sure that all of you submit. Okay. So see you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Allah
Good
Hafiz.
afternoon.